This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. Excellent investment opportunity in the booming area of Miami's Shenandoah. Triplex in very good condition on a tree canopied street. The property has separate meters, laundry facilities and a spacious shared backyard and has a 4 halves, 2-1 and a 1-1. Ample parking spaces available to tenants. Each unit contains air conditioner and fully equipped kitchen. Seller made several updates including appliances and kitchen cabinetry. Centrally located to nearby shops, restaurants, downtown and the MIA airport. For more information, review the details below.